Going against to the source is the path to continuous self-development. Going against the source is considered to be the life of the fish. Similarly, people also have to struggle hard. If he is alive, he must be seen alive. People like them as the ones who shine the most among millions of stars. Countless human beings are on earth. Who created what? Some made a career, some advised others, and some thought about the welfare of others. The great man Pearl reigned. The good man died well, no name-taker left. What is that life, who died after eating and drinking? Human beings are found a lot, but virtuous people are not available. That land also yearned for the dust of the feet of a virtuous person. The experience of life makes a man powerful. The experience that never breaks. Flowers are available a lot, but fragrant flowers are rare. Just like that, a virtuous person is also rare. How should be a human? Being like a samurai's sword. Another sword can't stand. The world does not bow down, it bows before them. Only need a deflector. If he is alive, he must be seen alive.